A well-organized and accurate library is key to your success with using Zotero. Before using the program, take a tour of the Zotero library to familiarize yourself with its functionality. The library is arranged in three panes. On the left, the organization pane allows you to create folders to organize your sources. Zotero calls folders collections. All saved sources are automatically saved in My Library, but you can place sources in any number of collections. You can create collections organized by class, year of study, subject area, or specific project. Towards the bottom of the organization pane, Zotero provides tags based on the resources within each collection. In the center, the title pane allows you to see every title saved within a collection. Click on a header to sort by title, creator, or if a source has attachments. If a small arrow displays to the left of an item, click on it to display items attached to the title. Attachments may include a PDF of an article or notes about the source. Select a title to view its bibliographic details. On the right, the Detail pane displays all of the details related to a source. View the Info tab to view the item's bibliographic information. On the right, at the top of the Detail pane, the item type shows how Zotero has classified an item. By clicking the item type, you can change the classification if necessary. The detail fields will change according to the selected item type. For example, the citations for a book and a journal article require different data points, so the field will change to accommodate those differences. Certain field labels can be changed to better reflect your source. For example, if you save a book with an editor instead of an author, you can change the field label to reflect that. If you have multiple authors, you can add an additional author field. To add, remove, or edit info in each field, click on the field. Once you make your changes, hit Enter or click out of the field to save your changes. Mail Library Citation Guide on the library's website is designed to indicate exactly which fields must be completed for a given information source. For a basic book, the citation guide indicates that you need a title, author, publisher, place of publication, and year of publication. As your sources become more complex, the citation guide can help you determine what information you need in the detail pane to build an accurate citation. Scroll down to the bottom of the Details pane to find the Notes tab. The Notes tab often displays information imported from the library's catalog or the database from which the source came. This might include a summary, a table of contents, etc. You can also add your own notes about a source by clicking on the plus symbol on the right of the tab and typing into the text editor. To return to the Info tab, click on the title from the center title page. Now that you've familiarized yourself with Zotero, you can now start adding sources throughout your research. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to email the library at library@athenaeum.edu.